Text sequence type str. Textual data in Python is handled with str objects or strings. Strings are immutable sequences of Unicode code points. Strings literals are written in a variety of ways. Single quotes. Single quote start allows embedded double quote start, double end of double quotes end of quote. Double quotes start allows embedded single quote, quotes, double quote. Triple quoted, single quote three times, three single quotes, end of three single quotes, double quote three times, three double quotes. Tripled quotes, quoted strings may span multiple lines. All associated white space will be included in the string literal. String literals that are part of a single expression and have only white space between them will be implicitly converted to a string literal. A single string literal, that is spam x is equal to spam x. See strings and byte literals for more about the various forms of string literal, including supported escape sequences and the R row prefix that disables most escape sequence processing. Strings may also be created from other objects using the str constructor. Since there is no separate character type, indexing a string produces strings of length 1, that is, for a non-empty string s of 0 is equal to s01. There is also no mutable string type, but string.join or io.string.io can be used to efficiently construct strings from multiple fragments. Changed in version 3.3 for backwards compatibility with the Python 2 series, the u prefix is once again permitted on string literals. It has no effect on the meaning of string literals and cannot be combined with the R prefix. Class str object is equal to single inverted comma. Class str object is equal to b. Encoding is equal to UTF-8. Errors is equal to strict. Return a string version of object. If object is not provided, returns the empty string. Otherwise, the behavior of a string depends on whether encoding or errors is given, as follows. If neither encoding nor errors is given, str object returns type object dot str object, which is the informal or nicely printable string representation of object. For string objects, this is the string itself. If object does not have a underscore string method, then str falls back to returning repr object. If at least one of the encoding or errors is given, object should be a bytes like object, bytes or byte array. In this case, if object is a bytes or byte array object, then str bytes encoding error is equivalent to bytes.decode encoding comma errors. Otherwise, the bytes object underlying the buffer object is obtained before calling bytes.decode. See binary sequence types bytes.bytearray.memory view and buffer protocol for more information on buffer objects. Passing a bytes object to str without the encoding or errors argument falls under the first case of returning the informal string representation. See also -b command line option to Python. For example, strv zoot strb zoot b zoot strb comma zoot. For more information on the string class, its methods, see text sequence type str and the string method section below. To output formatted strings, see the f strings and format string syntax sections. In addition, see the text processing services section. Thanks.